So in this trade, Space Falcon, I got a volume spike here, Shares is trading the private list 2 days ago, right here, Monday 6. We bought this coin for 0.00006 and put a sell order right here at the daily resistance 0.00012. Guys, I made $7,000. Today we are up 630% profit. Okay, coins we trade in the private list was Arch, Original Trail, Quartz, Open Leverage, Space Falcon, Young Federal Reserve, Sentimental, guys. Pay attention, this coin is gonna make who buy this coin and holds is gonna make a lot of money. But here we go. Let me tell you something. It's Sentimental. How crazy is that? The first volume spike was right here. Share my trade in the this trade in the private list like 1 hour after. We bought this coin for 0.00034 and put a sell order right here 0.0011. I made $20,000 in this single trade. So if I make the reason I share my trades is private list because together we are strong. In this channel we focus in volume. We trade coins is spike in volume. Let me give you an example here. Volume spike. By the way, guys, if you like to get those trades in real time, feel free to reach me out, tradecryptotime@gmail.com. Also, you can follow me on Twitter. I have a Twitter account. I keep you updated there. Free charts. Okay, take a look here. Gifto, volume change, just 2 hours ago. Right now it's 12:40, 11:30. 1 hour ago. Take a look how much the volume spike. 16,000% the volume spike. I just put this coin right here on this chart. Gifto. You see here, do you know why this coin just spiked this much? Because this coin, the volume spiked this much, this coin just get in the exchange Binance. When they get in the exchange Binance, the volume spike, the price is still up, continue up. We didn't trade this coin. We didn't trade this coin because we don't trade coins. We're supposed to guess. We want to trade coins, the software trades. My software just get this coin, and I'm gonna keep my eye open. This coin, he might go up. I will let you know when you should buy and sell. Okay, don't worry about it. We just made this not much money. Take a look at this. Focus on volume, guys. $8 million, $800,000, 4.8, 6.2, 146. Like to say welcome to our new members: Jessica, Christopher, Mateo, Sandra, Ashley, and Dom. Okay, you guys are welcome. Feel free to reach me out, tradecryptotime@gmail.com if you like to get those trades in real time. Okay, also I will alert you when you should buy and sell Bitcoin, guys. Bitcoin and the main cryptos. We focus here in the main cryptos. Also, email me and ask about the free trade platform. You need a free trade platform. You don't have to spend $600 on TradingView for a year. I'm gonna provide you this free trade platform right here, and this platform is better than TradingView besides to be free, and I teach you why. Okay, also you can trade for you. Feel free to reach me out. My name is Daniel. I live in South Beach, Miami. We trade as a group, as a family here. More people buying the same coin at the same time, price goes up faster. Feel free to reach me out, tradecryptotime@gmail.com. Thanks for your time. Have a blessed day. Bye bye.